car looks like crap. It's impossible to keep it clean. And it just goes to show you perception and what it means. Even my own perception doesn't have the same effect when the car looks filthy, right? It's much nicer when it's clean, but if you think of what it looks like when it is clean, it juices you up. I mean, perception is key. Always keep the key in the ignition of perception, and you'll go far. Yep, you guessed it, just finished another workout. So, perception, like I was saying before, it really rules our world, because people, things, situations, scenarios, they don't have any power over us. The only thing that has power over us is ourself, is how we allow ourselves to actually be affected by the things that happen to us. So you have a choice to make. You can say to yourself, look, no matter what, whether today is a nightmare or the best day on earth that I've ever had, you can choose what signal you're going to send to your brain. So if your day is a nightmare and you define yourself by what's happened to you that day, those moments, and everything cuts like a knife, as the song goes. I don't know if it was a song or a saying. I think it was a song back in the 80s. But anyways, so if everything feels like it cuts like a knife, you got to make sure that it cuts like a sponge, meaning that it doesn't cut. And the way you react, the way that you allow your emotions to either skyrocket into the negative or the positive, is what's going to govern what happens to you the rest of that day, the rest of that week, and potentially the rest of your life, because these things repeat themselves over and over and over again. There aren't many unique things that happen in a day, because days are laced with routine, with habit. And part of that habit is how you react, if you're reactive or if you're proactive with your perception and what you feed your own mind in terms of how you let exterior forces, people, things, events control you. It really is all up to you. Remember, hit that notification bell, subscribe, and you can win gifts and prizes just by subscribing and hitting the notification bell.